Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Checkachats. I'm Laura and I'm joined here today by Tom and Andreas. Would you two like to introduce yourselves?
Hi, yes, I'm Tom Pandolfo. I'm the Chief Data Officer here at Checkatrade and I've been here for about 4 years now running the data team.
Hello, my name is Andreas Antoniades. I am the Head of Data Science and have joined the Checkatrade business 6 months ago.
Checkatrade has some really ambitious growth plans and we're picking up a lot of momentum in 2024. So could you talk about the role of data at Checkatrade?
Checkatrade is a very data mature organisation. We have 70% of our business users using data analytics tooling on a day-to-day basis, which is fantastic. We have also recently assigned a North Star metric, magic job completion, to the company, and everybody is aligned to achieving this overall business goal. The top line metric is defined with lots of sub-metrics, so everybody has a metric that they can influence that will actually drive the performance of the overall company. In terms of data technology, we have a big data lake on AWS. We have Power BI reporting and we have data science capabilities, which obviously run by Andreas. And furthermore, we have advanced analytic capabilities in the form of a tool called Mappy, which I'd love to talk to you about and maybe in another chat in future in a bit more detail.
Andreas, anything else you'd like to add to that?
Absolutely. I think Tom and the team have done an amazing job to bring the company where it is with regards to its data maturity. I do feel like we should push further, so change the narrative from data-informed decisions to AI-powered decision-making and recommendations.
Please share some of the 2024 initiatives that data is driving this year.
Of course. So one of our big focuses at the moment is all around data democratization across the business. We have, as alluded to, a lot of business people using our data and reporting and analytics, but we want to go further. We want them to be able to build their own reports. We want them to be able to find their own insights, and we want the business to be able to really accelerate the time to value they get from our data. Furthermore, we want to really push on experimentation principles. So we want to accelerate the time it takes to do testing and be able to run thousands of tests all simultaneously on our website. Currently something that we're only able to do around 100 of at any one time. And finally, we want to build some data products that are both internally facing and also externally facing. And these will really improve the customer value that we're able to provide from our data.
So Andreas, next one's for you, focusing on AI. So what are the opportunities for AI at Checkatrade?
No one can really deny that generative AI has taken the world by storm. So there are quite a few applications we're looking to employ generative AI, especially some of our more creative tasks. But I feel like we shouldn't just ride the hype. There is a lot we can do with traditional ML. So predictive models, being able to proactively care for the needs of both our clients and our consumers, and obviously operational research. So what can we do to improve the operational efficiency of our colleagues and automate some of the more mundane tasks to free them to work on the really, really important things?
Thank you, that's very insightful. Tom, do you have any considerations that we should be looking out for?
So yeah, of course, data protection is a massive focus area for us, and we've recently invested in a data management architect who will really supercharge our ability to understand where our data is and the controls that we have over it. In other areas, we also have an AI principles document now that is widely shared and understood by the business, and we'll be developing further AI controls and governance procedures in the future.
So we have multiple data vacancies available on our Checkatrade careers site. What would you say are the key skills that we're looking out for data hires in 2024?
Sure, we're looking for people with commercial acumen, and marketplace experience is really a plus in our particular world. We do need people that have got really great data skills and technological experience, but fundamentally we don't need you to be a rock star. We really want you to have a massive passion for data and a real passion for improving the lives of our customers in future. So that's what we look for in terms of people at Checkatrade, and especially in the data team.
Andreas, was there anything you'd like to add to that?
Absolutely. I think our mission statement is quite simple. We want to be the trusted foundation of every home. If you share our vision of safe and happy homes and our excitement for what lies ahead, we welcome you to apply to one of our many roles throughout data.
Thanks everyone for watching today, and thanks to Tom and Andreas for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for joining us.
Look out for our next Checkachats and hit the subscribe button below.
It's the one.
That's it. That is the most awkward thing I've ever done in my life.